Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Dogecoin on Binance. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in binance.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Binance website where you can log into your account by clicking on the sign in button at the top right corner and then using your login credentials. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to this screen where you can buy your desired crypto by simply clicking on the Buy Crypto section at the top left corner and then clicking on your desired payment method. Once you select your payment method, you will be taken into the crypto buying page. From this page, you can simply click on your currency from the spend section. Then you can choose your desired currency and then from the receive menu, you can click on the selected crypto and then simply search for Dogecoin. Once you find it, just click on it and then the crypto will be selected. Then you can simply type in how much you want to spend on your desired crypto or how much crypto you want to receive. After doing this, simply click on the continue button at the bottom and then you will proceed with buying your desired crypto. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy Dogecoin on Binance. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.